Poverty reduction has been one of the major concerns of the United Nations since the signing of the Charter in 1945, where a higher standard of living is written into the aims of the United Nations. However, it was really in the 1960s, with the entry into the United Nations of many former colonial states, such as those of Africa, that the UN Development Program and environmental protection, poverty reduction became central issues to the United Nations, both in the General Assembly and in the specialized agencies such as the World Health Organization, such as the International Labour Office, such as the Food and Agriculture Organization. The Association of World Citizens has worked closely on poverty reduction issues, in part because we have an active group in Geneva, and in Geneva there are those specialized agencies such as the Labour Organization, such as the Health Organization, such as the High Commissioner for Refugees, the High Commissioner for Human Rights, all of whom are concerned with poverty reduction at different levels and in different ways. There is also the UN Conference on Trade and Development, and one of the big issues has been how does one facilitate world trade which is going on, but a world trade which benefits all the people, not simply the large corporations or the countries that are already relatively rich. However, even in wealthy countries, there are people who are poor, who are living below what is considered a poverty line, and therefore the reduction of poverty is a worldwide issue, not simply an issue of what we consider developing countries. Therefore, much of the concern and the work of the Association of World Citizens has turned around ways in which people can organize themselves in order better to meet their basic needs and to rise above the poverty line. We are particularly concerned these days with migration issues, because we see more and more coming either from areas where there is violence, and these people are refugees. However, where there is violence, there is also destruction of the economic infrastructure. Plus, there are migrants who are coming for primarily economic reasons. This is a growing concern. Many governments have been overwhelmed and unable to develop policies, and one of the roles of non-governmental organizations is to discuss with governments concerning proper migration policies, but also to work at the grass level with welcoming and helping migrants and refugees find work, find education, find homes. This has become a world problem. There is migration also in Asia, also in Latin America, and so we are concerned with trying to develop a world policy for orderly and migration that would be a strong element in poverty reduction.